So here we are again on Gary and Duncan, or Duncan and Gary's Sunday Workshop Part 2. It stopped raining, mate. So,
sunny.
What are we doing today then, Duncan? Now we've got power.
Welding.
Welding. Hang on.
What? What?
We're welding.
Welding.
Actually, we're going to weld a scooter up.
Yeah, well,
We're
no,
actually
it's
gonna-
a Vespa. Belladonna.
It's not a Vespa.
Oh.
It's not a Belladonna, it's an LML.
Uh,
Weld. Duncan! Hang on! It's the wrong bloody side, mate! Oh my fucking god. Oh well. I'll cut that bit out. He's still welding it. Well, the day turned out fine in the end. Even if it is an LML we're working on.